Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myra from Low Carb Love, and today we're gonna be making a really special recipe. I grew up eating this. This is my mom's special chicken salad. It's a super simple, basic recipe, but it's delicious and you're gonna wanna make it all the time. So I'm gonna walk you step by step and show you how easy this is and how quickly it will be on your table. Shredded chicken, I use breast and thighs. Okay, so now we're gonna use 2 cups of mixed frozen veggies, 3/4 cup of mayo, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then pepper and paprika or cayenne to taste. Okay, so we're gonna start off by mixing everything into our little bowl with our veggies. And these are like the frozen veggies that you get in the freezer section. It's just like a little Kroger brand. It's the mixed vegetables. So we're using 2 cups of that. And now let's go ahead and mix everything right into the veggies. And then we will mix it into our chicken salad. So here's our mayo. Okay. And then our sour cream. I'm telling you, this is like the easiest thing ever, but I'm obsessed with it, so. And then here is the garlic powder, our salt, and this is to taste. If you guys, want a little more or a little less, then you can start with like half the amount, but pepper to taste. I love pepper, so we're doing pepper. And the cayenne or the, what is it called? The paprika, you can just wait until the end and you sprinkle it on top. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what my chicken looked like before it was shredded. I literally it's just like the pieces of chicken like this. I actually did half chicken breast and chicken thighs because the thighs are juicy. And so I like that. But you can cook this stovetop, and it would probably take about 20 minutes, or I think it took about 10 to 12 minutes in the pressure cooker. So we're just gonna set this aside, but that turned into this. And we just, obviously quickly shredded that. So it's super, super simple. The little veggies, you can either put them in the microwave or you can put them in a little pot. I just, steamed them for probably about like less than 5 minutes. So chicken 20 minutes, veggies 5 minutes, mix everything into your bowl. Now right into our chicken, our shredded chicken. And now you just add everything in there like so. Get all this deliciousness. And now we're just going to mix with a fork. And this is the easiest chicken salad, homemade chicken salad. This is like a home style. My mom's been making this for me forever. I used to, now I like to eat it with my almond bun bread. I'll link it in the description below. It's so good. Honestly, it's just perfect. But you can also eat this with like, chicharrones or like low carb bread and make a sandwich. But that's it. You just mix everything together. Make sure that obviously you get all of the mayo, all the dressing into all of the chicken. And once it's done, we're just gonna sprinkle it with the paprika or cayenne. So now for my favorite part of this video, the taste test. So we have these little fried, the lavash, bread. And you can make them in the air fryer or even in the microwave. Put some of my mom's chicken salad and let's try it. Wow. It's like perfect. Perfect salad. Super simple. You guys are gonna be obsessed with that. When you guys make it, make sure you tag me so that I can share your recreations on Instagram. And guys, thank you so much for joining me on this video. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you love it just as much as I do. If you want to learn how to make these chips, I will link them down below. And if not, I also have my almond buns that are absolutely delicious and pretty much one of my favorite and most popular recipes on my YouTube channel. Guys, until next time, I love you and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah!